Introducing the 2021 Volvo Xc40 T4 PHEV R design, 5-door auto in sleek grey. This hybrid beauty packs a punch with a 1.5 litre engine and automatic transmission, perfect for any adventure. Packed with comfort and safety features like air conditioning, cruise control, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking. This vehicle has it all. Not to mention the luxurious interior with features like ambient lighting and satellite navigation. Plus, with security features like centralized locking and multiple airbags, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line Volvo, complete with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and service to manufacturer specification. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today.